everyone. So welcome back to our online class. So for today's class, we're going to learn about expanded form and place value. So this is teacher JJ, your math teacher. So let's start. So we have here a pencil. So how many tens and ones are there? So first, let's count how many pencils are there in the container. So we have two containers. So one container contains 10 colored pencils. So we have two container here. So 1, 2. So one container is equal to 10. So that's why we have, how many tens do we have? Okay, so we have 20. Next, let's count the ones. How many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 ones. So if we're going to add, we have 20 or 2 tens and 7 ones is equal to 27. Good job. So now, next example is we're going to write it in expanded form. So we have here cubes. So each row of cubes we have 10 cubes. So we have 10, 20, and 30. So how many tens do we have? 30. Very good. How about the ones? Do we have ones? None. So we have 3 tens and 0 ones is equal to 30. So if we're going to write it in expanded form, it is 30 plus 0 is equal to 30. Okay, so next example is we're going to put it in the place value chart. So we have here the place value chart. So based on the given example that we have, so how many ones do we have there? So we have 0 ones, right? And how many tens do we have? 3. So we have for the tens we have 3, and for the ones we have 0. Okay, so next we're going to have our activity. So you can open your book on page 87. It is do and learn. Again, you can open your book on page 87, do and learn. So here we have 1 10 and 7 1. So we're going to write it in the place value chart, and we're going to write the expanded form of it. So first, let's write the 1 10. So we have 1 in the tens value, and then we have 7 1. So we're going to put it in ones, 7. So now we're going to write the expanded form of 17. So we have 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Very good. Next, letter B. So we have 3 tens. So we're going to write 3 in the tens place, and we have 6 ones. So write 6 in the ones place. Now let's write it in expanded form. So how many tens do we have? So we have 30. 30 plus how many ones do we have? 6. So we have 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Okay, for letter C, we have 2 tens. So we're going to write 2 in the place value chart, and then 0 1. So how many ones? 0. Okay, so now let's write it in the expanded form. So we have 20. So we have 2 tens, 20 plus 0 is equal to 20. Very good. So next, letter D, we have 2 tens, so we're going to write 2 in the tens place and 9 ones. So let's write 9 in the ones place. Now let's write the expanded form of it. We have 29 here. So we write 2 tens is equal to 20 plus 9 is equal to 29. Okay. So now let's go to number 2. We're going to write the correct place value, or we're going to write the correct place and value of the underlined digit. So we're going to look at the underlined digit. So for letter A, look at the letter A. So we have 24, 2 and 4. So the underlined digit is 4. So the digit 4 is in the what place? Very good. It is in the ones place. Its value is, of course, it's 4 since it's in the ones place. Next, let's take a look at it. The letter B, we have 37. So the digit 3 is in the blank place. So look at the underlined letter. It is the underlined digit. It is number 3. So number 3 is in the what place? Tens. Good job. So its value is 30. Next, last number, we have 31. So look at 31. So we have the underlined digit is 1. So the digit 1 is in the what place? What place is it? 1. So its value is 1. Very good. So now, since we're done with our activity, I want you to open your book and get your book. Please do your homework. It is on pages 88 to 89. Again, pages 88 to 89. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope you learned about the place value and the expanded form of 240. So thank you everyone for listening. Have a great day. Bye!